the washing machine from behind the scenes. Mr. Punch! Mr. Punch, where are you? Oh good, it's washing day. I've been working hard. You've got to look after the baby, Mr. Punch, while I go and put the washing on the line, the last lot. Now don't go near the machine.
What?
I mean it.
What?
Listen you lot, if he goes near that machine, you call me. Behave.
Oh, it won't. No, it won't.
Mr. Punch, what are you doing? Oh, you never. You don't wash babies in a washing machine. You're a wicked old man. I am going to call the police. Just you wait. You're going to be in trouble. Get him out.
What? It's too drawing. There is drawing. Here we go. Let's go. That's the it.
And that's the washing machine from behind the scenes. And all you need to remember is to load it. We've got all of this. Start by taking that one out. Push all of this up in a U shape, leaving this round the front to pull it out when you're ready. It will hide the baby who is at the bottom when you start. Once you've pulled it out, you can turn it round as much as you like. Fill your bulb up with water, and this sits at the top, ready to come down and hide the baby when it finishes in its finishing position. And he's gone. And that's the way to do it.